Hi, today we're going to learn to write the upper letter M. Is everybody sitting up straight with their feet of their desk and as well as their own feet on the floor? Okay, then we're ready. The name of this letter is M. What is the name? Yes, M. M. The sound of this letter is M. What is the sound? M. Correct. Now, to draw this, we will first do this in the air. We will go line down. Pick up your pencils, slide down, slant up, and slide down. So the letter M is shown here. Let's draw this together. Line down. Pick up your pencils, slant down, slant up, and line down. Okay, one more time. Line down, slant down, up, line down. Pick up your pencil. Okay, so once we've written those together, we can do it one more time. Line down, slant down, slant up, and line straight down. Together. Okay, look at your papers and maybe look for to see if everything is consistent. Circle your best M, M, and consider writing the others over or practicing more on your own. Thank you very much.